Yeah, the next question we have is this. Find which one is u, which one is v. Let u be equal to what? ln of the function, because it is differentiable. Okay, you cannot integrate that. Okay, so the u will be equal to what? When you have ln of a function, you do the derivative of the inner function, which is what? 2x over what? The function itself. That's that. Then your dv is equal to what? Dx. This will be your. So v is what? Is this. So then the next thing to do now, we can make this one to be I. So we now have now this one equal to uv. My uv is what? This is my u times what? Times v. That will be this ln s squared plus 4. Then minus integral of v, which is this, times the u. This one is du dx. The u is what? 2x over s squared plus 4 what? Dx. And that will give me, if you multiply this one and this one together, you have what? 2x squared. And this one, how do you solve it? The power, the degree here is 2. The degree of this one is also 2. So in that case now, we use a long division. And this later I can use, by the time I multiply it by this first function, I'm going to have this one back. So that will be what? Times 2. So 2 times this one, that's what? That's 2x squared. And then 2 times this one, that's what? Plus what? I'm going to put it here. Plus 8. This minus this, this minus this, this minus this, and having minus 8 in this place. So the integral of this one, it will give me integral of the quotient, that's 2, and then the remainder, that's what? Minus 8 over the divisor, that's s squared plus 4. Integral of 2, that's a 2x. Integral of this one, I can take the 8 outside the integration, then I have what? 1 over what? S squared plus 4 dx. Okay, and this one will now give me 2s minus 8. Integral of this one, 1 over s squared plus 4 is tan x over 2. Okay, and don't forget times what? 1 over 2. This times 1 over 2 plus what? Plus c. So I can bring all my answer together. So the question now, which I call I, is equal to, the first one is what? X ln s squared plus 4, then followed by minus, you can open your brackets, minus, what do you have? So that's the answer for that. Okay, minus times minus, that's a plus x over 2 plus what? Plus c. So that's that on these. We have this question: find integral of x times tan square x dx. Okay, so what we do in this case is to represent this is a product of 2 items. This one as the first item, and this tan square x as the second item. So what we do in this case, it will be more convenient to make u as what? As this, because it becomes simpler on differentiation. So the u is equal to what? Dx. Okay, then the v now is equal to what? Tan square x. That's our the v dx. Okay, so but the challenge for this tan square x is that there is no direct table for integral of tan square x, because we have to integrate both sides. V equals what? 1. So we're going to use identity. Don't forget that 1 plus tan square x is equal to what? Is equal to sec² x. So in that case now, we're going to make this one the subject. So tan square x is equal to what? Sec² x minus what? Minus 1. So we now have integral of sec² x minus 1. Integral of sec² x is what? Is tan x. Integral of 1 respect to the function is what? Is this. So that's what we have now. We have our u, we have our v. Then we can go back. Can we call this one I? So we have this equal to what? Your uv. So that's equal to what? This times what? Tan x minus this. So that's our uv. Then minus integral of v, which is what? Tan x minus this. Okay. Then the u is what? Is this. So we now have now this equal to this one, then minus. You can open these brackets, minus times this integral of tan x dx, then minus times minus, that's a plus. Then integrate this function, so that will be what? S squared over 2. So plus what? Plus c. Okay? So I want to expatiate on this. Actually, I know that integral of tan x is what? ln sec x. But I want to show that. So integral of tan x is equal to integral of sin x over what? Over cos cos x. The derivative of this function is minus sine x. So I'm going to put minus here, and the minus I introduce here, I have to cancel it outside. Okay. So and whenever your derivative of the denominator is equal to numerator, it's going to be what? ln of the denominator. Okay. And don't forget the minus to put here. So you now have what? ln of what? Cos x to the power what? Minus 1. So this is 1 over cos x, and that will give us what? ln what? ln sec x. So the final answer will now become what? Will become this one. This ln sec x followed by what? Plus what? Plus s²+2 plus c. So that's that on this question. Please quickly click on the watermarks on the video and subscribe. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Okay. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platform. If you are a returning subscriber, please begin to type your comment. Click on like button and share the links of this video on all your social media platforms.